Good morning, everyone. So we're here at Richmond Nature Park, and I haven't brought you here before. It was too hot in the summer, and oftentimes Richmond Nature Park ends up getting closed in the heat for fire hazard. And so I thought we'd come here today, have a nice little walk around. There are 3 or 4 different trails you can take depending on how long you want to be out here. It's not really a park, it's a walking trail. It's very nature centric. So I will show you around the nature house first, and then we'll take the short trail because my feet are cold and it's cold out here. It's -2. And I just stopped by. I have a few things to do. As you can see, this is dead in the middle of the city. There's Westminster Highway behind me, 5 Road on the other side here, and yeah, just coming off the freeway. So it is a little bit busy, but it is a really nice little respite place in the middle of the city. So I hope you enjoy it. For Richmond Nature House, and you can often go inside, and they have different events happening inside of Richmond Nature House. They are open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And let's see, we've got visual scavenger hunt going on right now. Visit the Richmond Nature House to try fun, family-friendly, and interactive Richmond Nature House mini adventure and learn about wildlife that lives in this park. So there you go. We could take a look at that, and there you go, Richmond Nature House. Oh, and again, we have the fun sounds in here. Stuff you can come and see and look at. Oh, look at that. Wasp's nest. We've seen those in the yard for sure. Some samples, some washrooms, a little bit about the bog ecosystem, and then look at this stinky stinker. Pepe Le Pew. We currently have 2 of these guys, a mama and a baby, on our property right now. Enjoying the recycling. Neat. There you go, a little bit of information. Yeah. Oh my, oh look. I mean, not as beautiful as my alive crow. Signs of wildlife, we've got skulls. So that's a squirrel skull. Okay, so that's what we found in the backyard that I thought was a mouse. Okay, interesting. That's a coyote skull. It doesn't really look as big as I thought it would. Interesting. But I guess when you see them, I mean, look, coyotes, not really that big. So they keep getting under my fence. I mean, look. Neat. And of course, we got this little guy. No shortage of those guys on the farm. Safe for birds. You can hear all the sounds in the backgrounds too. Neat. Oh my, look at, oh look. Isn't he fancy? Look at that. Wow, okay. We got stickers you can buy. Oh, I like the can. I like that one. I mean, that's kind of the style of the day, right? What else have we got? I'm trying not to put anyone's TV screens on. Look at that. Ooh. I think that's what we were chasing off yesterday out of the backyard. Neat, eh? Okay, and then you can come and look at the programs and events. And they have all the bags that are probably made out of old banners. Yeah, banner bags. Oh, how amazing would it be if I found one of mine here? That would be so cool. But I think mine have all been long since used, sold, and bought. Yeah. Really cool. See, that's neat how the city does that, makes the banners into reusable bags for sale. I do actually have 1 or 2 bags from my last banners that I won. See, they got a nice little shop. You can come, you can buy, you can look at the birds that are stuffed. And then we got games and toys, and look at these guys. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do then is we're gonna leave the store and we're going to, oh my. We're going to take a walk around the short trail, see how it goes in the cold. Oh, you can even get special Christmas decorations here. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat? Okay, everybody, we're gonna go for a walk. So there are outside bathrooms here. We'll go take a look down and see. So I know there is a map right here of the different trails you can do. So the pond loop is just a little short half-kilometer loop you can do. Hi, there's me. You can do the great big bog forest trail loop, which I've done, 1.8 kilometers. You can do the time loop, which is 0.8 of a kilometer. And then there's the quaking trail that you can do. And you can do them all if you want. You can just keep walking in a circle because that's how it works. The first time I came here, it was such a circle that I ended up getting lost and putting on my GPS, and I was so embarrassed. And then I found these 3 women who were also lost in the same place, and I helped them get out. So just a little bit of information here about what you can find in the bog. You are not allowed to pick anything, obviously. Don't touch the ducks. Leave your dog at home, because there is, there are a lot of animals here that are wild, and they do try to keep it that way as much as possible. So there you go. So there you go. Oh, and the neat thing about these trails are, not only are they all bog-lined, not bog-lined, it is a bog. Not only are they all lined in a way that makes it easy for you to walk on, softer on the feet, because of all the mulch, but they do have trails that are wheelchair accessible, and they do have trails that, you can just do nice, quick, easy walks. So we're just gonna come on through. They got the hummingbird boxes and the bee boxes. And I think over here we have, see, they still got their hummingbird feeders out here too. See, isn't this wonderful? Like, this is wonderful. You can come. Don't roller skate down it maybe, which could be fun. But you can come down here if you're wheelchair accessible. And so they've got all of the stuff. See, there I am. Morning. A lot of photographers down here. You can see all the little birds and bunnies and stuff all just like hippity-hoppitying around in the woods. But how nice, eh? Everywhere I go, there's things just skittering around behind me. I love these little fences. Aren't they neat? I mean, they're great. I know in the summertime up here on the deck they had one of these outdoor pianos. I don't play, but that's fun, you know, have stuff like that. Yeah, it was right up here they had a piano. But I think they've actually rebuilt this since then. Here, so it is a bog. It's a peat bog. So there was a fire on the other portion of this a few years ago, and it was quite hard to put out, as you can imagine. Okay, I think I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys look around. Oh, look. Let's see if I can get this for you. Look at that. A hornet's nest. A little hornet's nest. Hornet? Yeah, definitely hornet. Cool, huh? Now, the really fun thing about this trail is that when you come here in the season, these trails are lined with blueberry bushes. And so you can eat well, you don't eat them actually. They tell you that some of them are poisonous. I don't know if that's true, but I think it's one of these don't eat the blueberries that they sell for fundraising kind of ideas. And you really shouldn't, because they need the money to keep this cool place, you know, going. So yeah. Ooh, I think I took the longer trail. Ugh. Okay, well, that's fun anyway. Oh, neat. Look, see. Who do you think lives down there? I'm going in. How neat is that? Just up on the highway, I think. Oh, a Christmas tree, anybody? Albert and Victoria sized Christmas tree, that one. All right, well, I'm glad I brought my mittens and a scarf because it's chilly. Oh, it's so pretty though, honestly. It's kind of nice to just get into nature. It's good for your central nervous system, you know, just to be with nature. The birds will be happy for that this morning. So beautiful. I think we'll do time trail. We're not doing the bog forest trail. Okay, so yeah, here you lose. We don't have the paths as smooth as they otherwise would be. Looks like they've been doing a lot of work down here. I know, you're all thinking it, I'll say it, don't get murdered, right? Oh, that's a leaner. Look at the lean on that tree. So pretty. think I've lived in BC all of my life that I remember. Well, I don't think, I know that's a fact. Things I don't know about me. No, that's a fact. And I just honestly never ever get bored of it. The nature, the trees, the green. Beautiful. Hello, little bird. Oh, goodbye, little bird. Now, there are markers all along here with numbers on them. I don't know what they mean. I imagine they're probably, like, that one is 8. The one back there was 9. Probably like point of a kilometer. Look at that. Oh my. Three sisters. I don't know, but we can go with that, eh? And I need to warm my toes by the fire. As you come around the corner, Mother Nature reveals herself. Oh, we're at 6. We're at marker 6. Oh, 5. For those keeping count. We got some branches over the trail. When I get to 1, do I get a big cup of hot chocolate? These are all blueberries. All these here. See? Sorry, my footing's a little uneven. There are great big divots. I'm just trying to stay out of them. Although, wouldn't it be funny to see me go face first? Well, you wouldn't see it. You'd just kind of see the camera roll. Oh, it's much colder here in this area. The ground is still very frozen. Grateful for my mittens. Oh, back into the sun. And a garbage can is the first sign of humanity. As it often is. Okay, which way do we want to go? Time trail? Bog forest trail? I think we need to go this way. Yes, I think that's correct. I think that's correct. I should show you some of my regular cool mushroom finds in here. But, oh, I have a feeling it's a bit too cold for that. Oh, that's a good Halloween spooker, isn't it? Whew. Wish I'd have brought a tissue. Can't use your sleeves if there's buttons on it. That's why Napoleon put buttons on military jackets. Apparently. I mean, I'm not a historian, but it's a story I heard. Okay, now, if we go this way, do we end up going around and around? Okay, that's the maintenance trail. We don't need to go that way. We'll go here. Let's go here. Left at the fork in the road. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is where I would normally find some cool mushrooms. Like fly agaric mushrooms and the like. However, today is a pretty frozen kind of day. So I'm thinking we're probably not going to find any. I spend so much time looking down that I kind of miss the up. And the up's so pretty. I have to look up. I know they say don't look up, but look up. Right? Oh, Richmond Nature Park. You're one of my favorites. Definitely one of my favorites. Oh, let's see. Habitat restoration in progress. Yeah. Oh, you see, there you go. So it looks like they're starting to take out some of the blueberries. Yeah, okay. To let native vegetation grow. Well, there you go. Maybe you can eat the blueberries now. Don't eat the blueberries. Oh, that stump scared me. What's a rabbit or something? Nope, just a stump. A very cool, gnarly looking stump. But just a stump, nonetheless. All right, and I think this brings us right back to the path we were on. And then just keep going left. Just keep going left. And here we are. Back at the beginning. Maintenance shed, playground, you know, all the stuff. Huh. And now we're back on the boardwalk portion. Slippery one. Oh, neat. Okay, so there are no kids, so we're going to show you the playground. Look! You can tell we're right back in the city. Well, hello. Les Canards. How cool! Isn't that neat? And all of the, you know, get stuck in a log kind of deal. That's so cool. Look at that. I love it. Okay. So everything except for the slide seems to be made out of really awesome wood. Look at this. Eggs Eggs and ducks. Ducks and eggs. That one's dead. I'll have to come down, I guess. Now. Yep. It is slippery on this trail, so I will be careful. And we're gonna head back to the car. So I do hear children's up ahead. Oh, we got a squirrel. Squirrel sighting. All right. Bye. Okay, everyone. So that's the end of our Richmond Nature Trail walk. I hope you enjoyed it. It is beautiful here. If you do decide to come down, have a look around the nature house and see what's going on as far as activities are concerned. This is a really beautiful trail. Remember to bring your mittens, bring your scarf, and bring your tissues because it is cold out here. It is beautiful though. Oh, and I did want to just mention, I did get some merch and you can get yours. I'll put a link below if you want to also show the world that you dig the earth as much as I do. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. So I wonder how all the turtles are doing, because the turtles do live in here. So I wonder what happens for them this time of year. Huh? Do turtles go in the water under the ice? I don't imagine so. Are they all just down here in the long grass? Maybe. I don't know. If you know anything about turtles, leave a comment below and let me know, where did they go in this ice?